GameStop GME is on an absolute surge right now. You can see just out of nowhere, boom, the price is up massively, volume is there, the coin is trending all over again. This Solana based sort of meme here, right, is just on its way up. So I want to talk about it. Welcome back as well to another video on the 99 Bitcoins channel. So can we see more continuation here? What is actually happening behind the scenes with GameStop GME token? Because we saw this token plummet, absolutely came down in price quite harshly, quite aggressively into this lull phase here, into this state of kind of boredom and nothing is really happening. And then boom, back up in price. So we can now see that GameStop is actually here filtered in as a sort of meme coin by market capitalization. It's one of the largest coins up today. So a lot of eyes are sort of steering towards the project. It's a high risk, high reward one, but you can see the volume is absolutely insane here with $254 million worth over the last 24 hours, and that is it. GME coin. So do remember, this is not financial advice. This is a high risk, high reward coin as always, but they're on in the volume. You can see the volume is creeping slowly. It's surpassing nearly Floki, almost surpassing Book of Meme and Shiba Inu, and they're certainly marketing themselves as a meme coin, as you can see right here. So could possibly see GME go from that $100 million MC maybe even up to 500 million, 750, 1 billion. So it could have that 5 to 10x potential. But again, I think it is a high risk, high reward one here, just overall looking at it. Play to earn coins are also on the up at the moment. So overall, these kind of meme utility, sort of playful compounding tokens are on the rise. And you can see GME coin now is up to 32,000 followers over here. It's all about the community being a parody of GameStop itself. And they're tweeting like crazy. They're just tweet every single hour or two. There's always something new here. And you can see they are, of course, quite happy to see this big pump as well. GME surged over 188% in the past 24 hours. And yeah, so this is good. They're trying to, of course, surpass and steal market share of other sort of memes and trending tokens out there, because we did come up quite massively. If you remember rightly, there was that massive trend, wasn't there? We just came up out of nowhere, like a 30x on the price itself. We've come into a lull again, and look, it's back up like 2x. So really interesting to see this play out. If we look at our Fibonacci structure, where would this put us? Well, we can kind of gauge from this over here. We can see that we actually corrected below the 0.786 Fibonacci from the top, which is usually, in my opinion, quite a bearish thing. But then out of nowhere, just this extreme massive candle here. You know, it could just be one or two huge whales, but the volume spikes have just come in out of nowhere. So this could be the new inception of another trend, or it could just simply just fade out again and sort of fizzle into nothingness. But at the moment, it is looking okay, and it's almost looking like a state of consolidation. I don't really want to call it a bull flag, because it's hard to be super bullish on a coin that just sort of corrected like 90%. Or something, 85%. Okay, so that's quite a harsh correction, and it now is looking like it could see some continuation here if we do consolidate on this region. So should we get the bullish scenario play out, we could be looking for a 1618 Fibonacci, which would take us up to 0.02 for GameStop. If we get the bearish play out, which is looking at our corrective phases on the Fibonacci, then we could be correcting down to maybe that 0.618. So you've got kind of different plays depending on what happens here, and I don't have a crystal ball. It's hard to say what will happen, but we can see that they are starting to trend right now. So the upside is there, the upside potential is there, but also the corrective potential is there too. So you've got kind of the opportunity for it to go up, but also down. If it did come down, then you might be able to buy in on that dip and then ride up another wave if there is an opportunity for it. So it could just come down to 0.008 and then correct and then move forward from there. It's all about what the market wants to do next, and we don't entirely know what the future entails, but if that happened, that would be quite a good play. But overall, I just think it looks kind of strange how it went from nothing to, again, something. And if it can retest this previous all-time high of 0.022, that's going to be extraordinary. That's going to be really nice. But I will show you one thing, actually. What this kind of reminds me of is, it's the Floki charts. If I quickly just show you Floki, and I don't want to compare these coins and say, you know, they're the same, because they're absolutely not. But what we can see here, if I just click on all, that kind of reminds me of, can you not see the similarity? You know, you go up massively, then you correct, you sit in a lull for a while, and then boom, out of nowhere, a pump. Look, Floki did the same thing. Massive pump over here, back in 2021, price comes down, 90% plus correction. And then what? Does nothing. And then boom, we're back out. So we're seeing that again. We're seeing a similarity here for GME, and ideally what we want to see is that upside. We want to see more upside to the previous all-time high, and then we can start talking about the next thing and the next sort of support regions and things like that. Other coins out here in the crypto space that could potentially play very well. PlayDoge is one, $1.428 million raised right now. PlayDoge has been live for about 5 days, and already they're just moving so quick. One play token is $0.00502. This is a play to earn token at heart, but it also crosses the path of meme coin as well, with its fun, poppiness, and Dogecoin flair and inspiration. It uses the inspiration also of Tamagotchi from the 90s, and you can see this will be a play to earn token where you can capitalize play tokens from simply playing in app and nurturing your little pet, or playing some of the more fun, exciting hands-on games. Phase 3 and Phase 4 also hint at centralized exchange listings, as well as 4 minigames launch, a PlayDoge app release, and a community airdrop. So there's some big things potentially in store for PlayDoge. If you do want to grab some of this new 2 to 100x potential coin, the link is down below. There's 9.4 billion tokens total supply, with 50% allocated to the pre-sale, which is 4.7 billion tokens. So yeah, low cap gem could launch around $15 million MC. It's hard to say, but a 10x could be in scope for this one here. How do you buy it? You may be thinking you need a MetaMask wallet or one of these wallets listed right here, and you simply convert either BNB, Tether, or Ethereum into your desired amount of play tokens. This is a BEP20 token as well, which means it's on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. PlayDoge up to 1,307 followers, and it says PlayDoge, your play to earn Tamagotchi themed Doge companion. Embrace the 90s nostalgia. What a cool looking project right here. So I thought I'd also talk about this one because it could be another one that moves very well in the markets, along with maybe things like GameStop as well. But we can see that it's here. The money is there. Play to earn is up 6%. This is a play to earn token. So it's really launching at a key time where it could really attract a relevant pool of investors and just a large community to help with strong traction at its launch. Also, you know, meme coins are doing good too. $65 billion worth on memes right now. So you also can't really knock meme coins. So at the moment, it's a recipe for hopefully goodness. If you're new to the 99 Bitcoins channel, please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Have a wonderful day. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now.